Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch, that's Mr. Tyrone and Mr. Tubbs, okay? Today I'm going to be making a video because I know you're all depressed and you need a little bit of hunch in your life, okay? So let me tell you what I'm thinking is going on right now. I think a lot of people are bearish. I think there's a lot of FUD. I generally think that this is from the attacks on Bitcoin, right? A lot of people don't want to see Bitcoin succeed. The establishment, you name it, the World Economic Forum. I mean, ever since El Salvador announced that they were going to go on a pseudo Bitcoin type standard and legalize Bitcoin, the attacks have been relentless from the Ethereum community, from the altcoin community, from the government, you name it. Anyway, I'm going to tell you what I think could happen. And I'm still bullish, okay? Okay, so this is Bitcoin, right? Here's the chart. You can see we're holding support right around this region, right? I mean, it's touched a bunch of times around here, okay? What I think could happen in a bearish, if we are in a bear market, right? And I've seen this in 2017, right? We get a little hope, it comes up, we have a relief, and then it just kind of stagnates for the next 2 years, right? I think it's possible, but I've got to go back to fundamentals. The fundamentals are too strong, right? El Salvador is releasing bonds on the Bitcoin Liquid network. The Lightning Network is gaining adoption. STX is gaining adoption. Cities are embracing it, right? The mayor of New York just said Bitcoin is about sending a message, right? And you can see this all over the world, right? People are tired of lockdowns and government in general. They're rioting in Europe and in the US. We're always rowdy, okay? And Bitcoin has always been about sending a message, right? About saying, you know, enough is enough, and whatever political party you stand in, and whatever issue you're on. It's not just about, you know, the pandemic or right versus left. It's any issue, right? So, anyway, let's dive on in what I think is maybe a good play, right? I think Stacks is just getting started, and MiamiCoin has just been descending into oblivion, right? And it's kind of coming to having to make a decision, right? It's held support. I think it's possible we go under it, we touch, and then we break through. And why is this? I don't think they're going to give up on this experiment, right? Miami is going to airdrop Bitcoin to its citizens, and it's going to trial that, and so is New York City. So I think this is a smart play. When Bitcoin starts being airdropped to Miami citizens, that's when I think this wedge is going to break, right? So not a financial advice, and I would be picking up MiamiCoin right here. I am going to pick up some MiamiCoin. I think it's a cool experiment, a great way to do UBI, which is Universal Basic Income for its citizens, a great way to build on top of that foundation, which is America, which is separation of states and give the states their own power, right? I mean, that's one of the reasons America has been so successful, because people can move wherever they want. They can go and fall under the states which they most identify with, right? Nobody's the same. Okay, if you look at Stacks was looking bullish, but obviously Bitcoin took a dump. Bitcoin's in control. If Bitcoin can gain momentum, I think this is going to be instantly back. I mean, it's still in this channel, right? Okay. I think it's going to be instantly back up near here if Bitcoin can gain momentum. If it doesn't, obviously it's going to trend the same way as Bitcoin, right? Down here, right? I have a lot of faith. I think we control our own destiny here. If the plebs can unite, then I think we can make it, boys and girls. We've got to stay positive, but we have to rally around a cause, right? We can't have people saying this altcoin is the new Bitcoin. We can't have, say, Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin, right? When all that happened, the market crashed in 2017. We need to rally behind something, right? I'm not going to rally behind Ethereum. I'm sorry. I have some Ethereum type of investments, but we've got to come together and rally behind something. I think that's Bitcoin. And if the plebs can do it, I think we're back on. If not, if we keep getting afraid, if we keep rallying behind altcoins, if we don't have a mission, then we're screwed. Okay? So you can call me Hunch. These are my thoughts. Let's get it.